Let's have a look at the parts of the RalBar. We'll start off with the body. This is the body of the RalBar. This is where you'll strum or pluck the strings. The strings are numbered. The string that's closest to the floor in playing position, which is the skinniest string, is numbered 1. The middle string is 2. And the thickest string, which is towards the ceiling in playing position, is string 3. These parts are called the pickups. The pickup is an electronic component that amplifies the vibration of the string so that it can be made into sound. There are 2 pickups and you can choose each or both of them. The switch here, when it is in a position towards the tail end of the body, will use this pickup. In the middle position, we'll activate both pickups, and if you push it towards the neck, we'll have this pickup. The neck pickup has a little bit of a more mellow sound. The bridge pickup, this is called the bridge pickup, has a more twangy sound, a more lead sound. Next to the switch, we have the 2 knobs. There's a volume knob and a tone knob. With the volume knob, when you play a note, as you turn the knob counterclockwise, the sound goes down. As you turn it clockwise, it goes up. The tone knob gives us some control over the sound of the note, of the sound of the RalBar. Turned clockwise, the sound is more bright. As you turn it counterclockwise, it becomes more mellow. On the bottom edge of the body, we have the jack. This is where the sound that's been developed in the pickups comes out. We can plug that with our cable, goes in to the jack, and that goes, the other end goes into an amplifier, so that when you play, sound comes out. Looking now at the back of the body of the RalBar, if we turn it over, we see these are the strap buttons for putting your strap on. This is the cavity cover. Underneath here, if we take this off, are all the electronics, all the controls are in there. And here is where the strings thread through when we change strings. We'll have another video about how to use that, how to change strings when necessary. Just for now, know that that's where the strings come through. To put the strap onto the RalBar is very simple. It's just like threading a button. Thread, push the strap button through the hole on the strap on one end and then on the other, and it's on. This is the bridge of the guitar. Each of these little parts where the string sits onto the bridge is called a saddle. This is where the vibration of the string stops. Coming from the body, we have the neck. The neck extends all the way out. And you'll see on the neck these metal lines. These lines are called frets. This is what stops the vibration of the sound and changes the note. Along the edge of the fretboard we see numbers. These are Roman numerals based on the musical relative scale. This is how we know which note to play, which fret to play. So if we wanted to play the 3rd fret, we look for the Roman numeral 3. That's the 3rd fret. And we would put our finger across where the number 3 is. And if you see, when you press down on the string, See, there's a little space between the string and the fret until you press down on it, and that space disappears. Then we know that that's going to play a nice clean note. And we can do that for any fret. Towards the end of the neck is the headstock, and these are called the tuning heads or the tuning machines. The tuning machines are how we get the RalBar in tune. We adjust the tension on the string to either raise or lower the note on the string until it's in tune.